What's up, guys? Blue Collar Tour 2024 just pulled into the Western Academy in Denton, Texas. Weather's looking good, feeling fresh, getting ready to weld with the boys and girls, Texas style. Let's go get it.
The trades were pushed down, years ago, and now they're coming back up, and people are realizing that we need plumbers, electricians, HVAC techs, we need automotive techs, diesel tech, welders. And so with that being the case now, there's a deficit in that. Anybody that can get into it and really has the drive to put in the work, it's gonna be out there. There's gonna be no reason you can't pay for whatever you wanna pay for. I mean, they run the world. You think the building we're in right now, fabricators had to put the building up, masonry had to come in, put the bricks up, electricity had to be ran, plumbing had to be ran. Trades are very important. I would say that hard work pays off. I mean, you see them supporting families, no issues in the world, hanging out on weekends, having a good time. You're supporting yourself and others, and you have nothing to worry about. There's always gonna be work. If anything, the work is more valuable now than it was 10 years ago. You can make a really good living out of it, and it brings a sense to you that you're helping the world go on.
These guys are working hard every day to teach you, to lead you, and guide you, and build the next generation. So make sure you guys look up to these gentlemen, make sure you respect them, and take note of what they say, because they've seen it before, and they honestly want what's best of you. So keep it up, give it up to them. Thank you, Mr. Tapley. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be able to be here. So let's give him a round of applause! This country faces a national threat, and that is a lack of blue-collar workers. We've been taught that college is the only way, and you are not successful unless you go to college, but that is not true. If you get inspired, find a trade, work with your hands, because it's very important. This nation needs it. We need contractors, we need construction people to build the houses, plumbers to plumb the fresh water. We want the electricians to put in the wires in your house so you can charge your phones, and ultimately, the welders to build this country with the bridges and the buildings and many things that we take for granted every day. So never in your life let somebody tell you being blue collar is down, or let them look down on you. Because I know a lot of men and women that make really good money building this great country. Blue Collar Tour 2024!
Wow, what an amazing time here at the Western Academy. Mr. Tapley was an incredible host, ton of energy. The kids had a great time. Now we're packing up, heading out to Arlington, Texas. Let's get it. Let's build America!